The world is perfect or imperfect? Yes, please. The world is perfect or imperfect? What would you say? Everybody knows that the world is imperfect. The world is imperfect. The world is not perfect. Somebody said perfect. Ekdam garbad. The world is imperfect. And people who come from the mathematical or the science domain, people from the MITs or the IITs, people who are doing physics at Stanford, at Harvard, at Cornell. Now these people, when they come to the financial markets and they design models for the purpose of capturing all these risks, they create credit risk models, market risk models, liquidity risk models, ये लोग create करते हैं. Now these people, they are suffering from the problem of perfection because they are mathematicians. ये लोग perfect ideal model बना देते हैं and these models are bound to fail in the imperfect world. They are bound to fail. Big institutions have understood this. I don't know if you follow me, but otherwise मेरे social media पे I had around 15 days ago shared a pic, a restaurant pic with Sumer Bajaj. Okay, Sumer Bajaj के साथ I was sitting in New York City, just beside the Morgan Stanley headquarters, in a restaurant called the Junior Restaurant. Sumer Bajaj is the executive director of the risk management, of the global risk management division of Morgan Stanley. He is the executive director of the global risk management division of Morgan Stanley. But who is this Sumer Bajaj? He is a BCom graduate from Bhawanipur College in Calcutta. He is a BCom graduate from Bhawanipur College in Calcutta. Please imagine एक बार, ये जो भवानीपुर कॉलेज जिसको हम लोग बग्गू बोलते हैं, उसका लड़का, ठीक है, मॉर्गन स्टैनली का एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर बैठा हुआ है रिस्क मैनेजमेंट में, और उसके अंडर सारे MITs और IITs और स्टैनफोर्ड ग्रेजुएट्स वगैरह काम कर रहे हैं, जो लोग भर भर के एक ही चीज जानते हैं, मैथ्स मैथ्स एंड मैथ्स. आई हैव द डीपेस्ट रिस्पेक्ट फॉर कोडर्स. I have the deepest respect for people जो लोग Python जानते हैं. I have the deepest respect for mathematicians. But the problem with these people is that they are too perfect and they do not create models which will work in the imperfect world. And therefore, what does these institutions do? These institutions make Sumer Bajaj sit at the helm of affairs कि यार ये बंदा common sense जानता है. तो जो लोग भी अपने लोग हैं जो BCom कर रहे हैं, BBA कर रहे हैं, CA कर रहे हैं, CFA कर रहे हैं, केवल BCom कर रहे हैं, these people should understand that when it comes to modeling, you may not be the best of person knowing Python and coding and all that stuff, but you are the person who are preferred because you have something called imperfection. Imperfection has become the trait, okay, which will save the world from big massacres. Okay, of course we require the perfection of those IITians, of those MIT guys, but they are the ones who work under the imperfect people. So what would you like to become? Would you like to become a coder? Would you like to become a Python person जो केवल कोड लिखता रहे, equations को मैच करता रहे? Or would you like to be a generalist? Okay, a person who understands common sense and who would teach the coders कि भाई इतना perfect model नहीं चाहिए.